of the biggest bottomless pits in North America right here today. They've got 10 minutes to eat as many hamburgers as possible. It's got to be the full burger. We've got our scorekeepers back here. They're keeping an eye. We've got our judges up front here. Look at these contestants go. They are chowing down on these hamburgers. All these contestants standing up. Let's make some noise for them. They're 3 minutes through. Molly and Dan are going so fast, we need extra help keeping score for them. Dan and Molly, 20 for Molly, 19 for Dan. These contestants are totally under control out here today. They are controlling those burgers. What a way to celebrate the USA, right guys? Look at these bottomless pits go. Molly has finished tray number 1 with 3 minutes to go. The race is definitely at this head table right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up! With 37 burgers eaten here in this wonderful year of 2022,